Huntkey is the latest entry in CES news for CES 2017 Las Vegas. I want to read part of the press release I was just sent. It goes like this. Huntkey, a global power solutions provider, will attend the International Consumer Electronics Show, International CES, the world's largest electronic sourcing fair from January 5th to 7th, 2017. It is the world's gathering place for all who thrive on the business of consumer technologies and where next generation innovations are introduced to the marketplace. Huntkey will display its full range of products, including smart power strips, power supplies, and monitors. Huntkey will introduce its latest Cube power strip at the fair. It is equipped with 3 AC sockets in 3 different sides and 3 USB ports and share 3.1 amps power. The cubes can be spliced together like building blocks. With its considerate design and travel-friendly size, the makers predict that it will be another star product at CES. In fact, it's got to be because it's part of the major CES news release I was sent here. And it also says that other models of American power strips, standard power strips, will be displayed, and it gives an extensive list of what they will be. But to cut to the chase, you're saying, where is it going to be in terms of the booth numbers, Zenny? I'm going to tell you right now. South Hall, Las Vegas Convention Center, South Hall 4. Booth number 36170. Booth number 36170. January 5th through the 8th, 2017. You can read more in the description right here below. Zenny62 will be at CES Las Vegas 2017 and for the 8th straight year. Subscribe to Zenny62 on YouTube. Follow Zenny62 on Twitter. Bookmark Zenny62blog.com.